making our very own EOS lip balm with no beeswax.
You will need an empty EOS container. Using a fork or a knife, find the ledge on the bottom part of the EOS. Once you found the ledge, push out the middle part of the EOS.
This may take some time, so be patient.
Now we have 3 pieces. Take the middle part and screw it to the top of the EOS. Make sure when you're screwing it, it's upside down. Be sure to not screw it to the bottom again.
Make sure to screw it tightly.
Now that we're done screwing it, let's show you the ingredients needed for this recipe.
First, you will need Vaseline.
Next, you will need some coconut oil.
You will need some vanilla extract for some scent.
You can also buy any store-bought scent. A microwave-safe bowl you will need as well.
And last, a spoon to mix it all together.
First things first, place 1 tablespoon of the Vaseline into the microwave-safe bowl. When I was doing this recipe, I placed 1.5 tablespoons, and that was enough to fill 2 EOS containers, so keep that in mind.
Next, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. And mix together.
Make sure that when you're mixing it, you mix it thoroughly, so all ingredients will be combined. Now, if you want, you can add some more coconut oil.
Now, add the vanilla extract for some scent, if you want.
Or you could just use the store-bought scent.
And mix together.
After you're done mixing, place it into the microwave for about 1 minute, or however long it takes to melt it. Now, once the mixture is melted, pour the hot mixture into the top of the EOS. It's easier to just pour it straight from the bowl.
Now, you need to place this in the freezer for 2 hours.
Make sure you place it in this formation.
This is the result after 2 hours later.
Now, to make the perfect dome shape, you have to take the bottom cap and you have to press it to the top. Make sure you don't screw it on, make sure you press. You have to press it till you hear the click and do the same to the other side. And once you unscrew it, voila, you have the perfect dome shape.
It looks like a real EOS.
Yeah. I made this other one after the purple one and it also turned out perfectly. Both of these look amazing.
Yeah.
And the red one looks a bit different because I placed it into the freezer longer.
If you live in a hot climate, make sure you keep it in the fridge.
Because we do not use beeswax, so there's nothing to support the Vaseline. Thanks for watching. Bye!